Little break, first break. I'm still on Rivas Trail, and I've come upon one of the treasures of the Superstitions, 600-year-old cliff dwelling, Indian cliff dwelling, and it's right up this hill, so let's go have a look. How cool is this? Little apartment. Come back and look at that later. I believe this is the stairway going up to it. But let's go up here. It's like a main. Rogers Canyon cliff dwelling, prehistoric cliff dwelling, constructed and occupied by Salado Indians approximately 600 years ago. You can pause and read the rest. Check this out. Holy cow. How awesome is that? It's just immediately cooler in here. But there's more. Yes, we're going this way. Whoa. Dude. Imagine living here 600 years ago. Let's take a look inside first. Obviously, a roof would have been here a long time ago. It's no doubt been rebuilt even for historical purposes. It's so quiet and still. It seriously feels like a part of the mountain in here. It's really cool. It would be so easy to sleep safe in here. Nice little fire corner, you can tell. It would have plenty of access to wood and water. I have no idea the hunting, but just an animal or two could keep this amount of people that live in this kind of space alive all winter. I didn't go back in here earlier, and I'm not going to, but suffice it to say, this is legit. Whatever that means. Really cool. Yeah. I can see standing here drinking my coffee. Be a bitch to go to the store to get Bailey's, but how cool. Anyway, thought you'd enjoy that. We definitely have to hike out here more often. GoPro, stop recording.